Uh-oh.
Oh, these little animals have lost their mothers. Baby elephant. Come back to your mom. Baby lion. Over here. Baby hippo. That's not right. Over here is the right spot. Baby frog. Baby duck. And finally, baby bear. Come back to your mom. Hooray! See you all later.